The service runs every 30 minutes between 5:30 a.m. and midnight, Sunday to Thursday, with services operating later Friday and Saturday nights. If you are like me, I would like to take the boat ride in the evening to explore a beautiful horizon and to feel luxurious on a free service. You're sure to see the underbelly of the iconic Story Bridge. Did you know that you can walk over the Story Bridge to the top of the pier with assistance? Yeah, that is something you can look forward in my upcoming videos.